well, that is a child labor. I described all about the child labor, but this time I just want to go with my pathway, presentation mastery, and an icebreaker in that introduction about myself. So directly diving into my introduction, I'm Pranav, coming from a very small village in a very middle class family, and my father is working as a government teacher, and my mother is an housewife. As usual, teachers are very strict. We all know strict, punctual, and disciplined, and no wonder my father is also very strict, punctual, and very disciplined. And I cannot share all my thoughts, all my feelings with my father in the childhood. And I was very average student. I did not recognize the importance of my father and the importance of of his hard work. He used to work very hard to go to school. Like after some days from the childhood, I just moved to city for our education purpose. So from then to now is really going every day 50 miles to reach his school and teach his students. And traveling 50 miles in India, it's very quite difficult actually. But in my childhood, I really did not recognize his hard work, how he's working hard for our studies and everything else. Over the times the year passes, I think in everybody's life there will be one trigger point where you need to change quite oppositely what you're going through now. And to me, it is my high school level rank. I can say that is my trigger point where I changed quite oppositely. Those rank is very important in our careers in India because it is interlinked with everything, like getting in a very good college, then getting in a very good placements, company and everything. It is very interlinked actually. But I really disappointed my father in that particular rank in my 12th standard or my high school level. But luckily I got in a very good college because of few changes that happened in my curriculum and everything, but I did not get in a very good department. After that, I totally changed. I really working hard. I recognized the importance of my father and how he's working hard to my studies and my brother's studies. It was going in a very good, smooth way. And really, at that time, from that time, my father became a very good, close friend to me. I started sharing all my things and everything. We usually have a very good political discussions, what's happening around the society and everything. I really worked very hard and been a very topper in my department in the 4 years. But as we all guess, life doesn't go very easily or very smooth according to in our way. I did not get placed in my college because I was thinking only one thing why I did not place, even though I really worked very hard other than other students, but I really did not placed in any of the companies that were coming to my colleges. It took almost 3 months to me to get placed in one of the reputed company, and it is one of my dream company. I tell it is dream company because this company used to come to my college and pick only one or two out of 1,000 students. In my college days, I used to have a goal like I just want to join these type of companies. And luckily, after 3 months, I got into that company, and I can see happy tears on the faces of my father and mother because his son is going to one of the multinational company. I'm working for those companies. That is very happiest moment in my life. And my first fare off to this corporate world and this professional uh, gave me some very exciting moments, but at the same time I was very in a fear moment. uh, I don't know how to handle this type of stuff and everything. I was little bit tensed, but that was a very good learning path. Those 2 years from 2017 to 2019, that was a really good platform for me learning because I was working for almost 10 to 15 clients all over the world, like in APAC, EMEA, and Americas regions, and working with a lot of stakeholders. That at the small age, I was working with all these clients and taking that pressure and everything. I learned a lot of new things. But at some point of time, I was very not. depressed. I was not truly what we call as like not only truly inspired by the work. I just want to explore some out of things, and I was trying a lot of things, but unfortunately anything doesn't go in our way. Only one thing I just thought is getting a GRE and studying in United States. And studying in United States is always a dream for my age students in India. I just told this thing to my father, and he really felt very happy, and he told everything. He gave like free hands to me to join and study in United States, although the physical financial status in my family is not that good. Luckily, I got visa on the day itself, on that is on November 1st, 2019. 2 years back on that particular day itself, I got interviewed in my company. Then that is was I was very excited to see that passport and stuff. And I saw the United States of America, and that was a really exciting moment to me to study in United States. And that's how I landed up in University of Memphis. And everything is going good for 1.5 months, but suddenly the pandemic has started. Again, things doesn't really going in your way. You lost everything. The coursework has been stopped. The part-time has been removed for us, and everything doesn't not going in your way. And in the meantime, I started working or connecting with a lot of mentors. And one of the mentor I was speaking with is Venki. We discussed a lot of things like our coursework, what are the next steps to have a very good career in our all those kinds of stuff. In the process of the discussion, I got to know like about the Toastmasters and the importance of the Toastmasters. And then I discussed with my friend Madhuri, and we discussed like encourage ourselves, motivated to come out of our comfort zone and join in the Toastmasters. And that is how I got to know about Toastmasters. And the main important thing that triggered like to join in the Toastmasters, like I just want to speak a very fluent English in front of all diverse people and all the professionals in a very good manner, because that is most important to my career as well. And at present it is going very good. I started joining all the toast speeches, and I also started giving my speeches as well. This is my second speech. Really very happy to give a speech in front of all the professionals or all the experienced people. And I have learned one thing in my life, like if you really determined of to do one thing, that really will be happening in your life. But there will be a lot of ups and downs in the process. And I always want to make my father, my parents very proud of myself, and my friends proud of myself. And I'm very lucky to get a very good family and very good bunch of friends. Even now, from childhood, I have really have very good friends. Thanks for that. And yeah, this is small introduction about myself. Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity. And this introduction is special to me because I gave a lot of introductions in my career, in my student and in my work experience, but I never shared all my personal things. And this is a platform where I shared everything. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.